Knee pain is a widespread issue that affects millions of people around the world. It's not just a problem for the elderly or athletes, it can strike anyone at any time. It affects people of all ages, from young children to older adults. Whether you're an active person or someone who leads a more sedentary lifestyle, knee pain can become a part of your life. You might feel it after exercise, especially if you've pushed yourself too hard or haven't warmed up properly. Athletes are particularly prone to knee pain due to the high demands they place on their joints. It might happen as you get older, as the wear and tear on your joints over the years can lead to chronic pain and discomfort. Age-related knee pain is a common issue that many seniors face. Sometimes it's due to an injury. A sudden fall, a twist, or an impact can cause significant damage to the knee, leading to pain and the need for medical attention. Whatever the cause, knee pain can slow you down and affect your daily activities. It can make simple tasks like walking, climbing stairs, or even sitting down and standing up a challenge. Knee pain is often caused by inflammation, which is your body's natural response to injury or stress. Inflammation can lead to swelling, redness, and pain in the affected area. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury. It's a protective mechanism designed to heal damaged tissues, but sometimes it can become excessive and cause more harm than good. It can cause swelling, stiffness, and pain, making it difficult to move the joint and perform everyday activities. Managing inflammation is key to reducing knee pain and improving mobility. While some inflammation is normal, too much can be harmful. Chronic inflammation can lead to long-term damage and increase the risk of developing other health issues. There are many ways to treat knee pain. Some people take medication to reduce inflammation and pain. Others try physical therapy to strengthen the muscles around the knee and improve flexibility. But did you know that your diet can also play a role? Eating the right foods can help reduce inflammation and support joint health, while a poor diet can make knee pain worse. That's right, the foods you eat can either help or hurt your joints. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids into your diet can make a big difference in managing knee pain. Eating a healthy diet is important for overall health. The foods you choose to eat can have a significant impact on how you feel, both physically and mentally. A balanced diet provides the essential nutrients your body needs to function properly and maintain energy levels throughout the day. This includes your joint health. Joints are the connections between bones that allow for movement and flexibility. Keeping them healthy is crucial for maintaining mobility and reducing the risk of injuries. Certain nutrients are especially beneficial for your joints. These nutrients can help reduce inflammation, support cartilage health, and improve overall joint function. These include vitamin C, bromelain, and magnesium. Each of these nutrients plays a unique role in supporting joint health and can be found in a variety of foods. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that helps build cartilage, which is the cushion between your bones. Collagen is a protein that helps build cartilage. Without enough collagen, your joints can become stiff and painful, making it difficult to move freely. Cartilage is the cushion between your bones. It helps your joints move smoothly and absorb shock during activities like walking, running, and jumping. It helps your joints move smoothly. When cartilage is healthy, it allows for pain-free movement and flexibility. Bromelain is an enzyme found in pineapple. It has anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce swelling and pain, making it easier to stay active and maintain a healthy lifestyle. This means it can help reduce swelling and pain. Incorporating bromelain into your diet can be as simple as enjoying fresh pineapple or taking a supplement. Magnesium is a mineral that helps muscles relax. Muscle tension can contribute to joint pain, so it's important to ensure you're getting enough magnesium in your diet. Muscle tension can contribute to joint pain. Stretching and regular exercise can also help alleviate muscle tension and improve joint health. Getting enough magnesium can help ease this tension. Foods rich in magnesium include leafy green vegetables, nuts, and seeds. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can support your joint health and overall well-being. Nature provides powerful remedies for many ailments. This includes joint pain. For centuries, people have turned to natural ingredients to help alleviate discomfort and promote overall health. Among these, pineapple, cinnamon, and orange juice stand out for their unique properties and benefits. 3 simple ingredients, pineapple, cinnamon, and orange juice, can make a big difference. These natural wonders are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support joint health and reduce inflammation. Pineapple, as we learned, contains bromelain, enzyme is known for its ability to break down proteins and has been used in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. This enzyme helps reduce inflammation. By decreasing swelling and pain, bromelain can be particularly beneficial for those suffering from arthritis or other joint-related issues. Pineapple is also a good source of vitamin C. This essential vitamin plays a crucial role in the production of collagen, which is vital for maintaining the integrity of your joints and skin. Cinnamon is a spice with anti-inflammatory properties. Beyond its delightful flavor, cinnamon has been shown to help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. It can help improve blood circulation. Enhanced blood flow ensures that oxygen is efficiently delivered to various parts of the body, including your joints. This brings healing nutrients to your joints. Improved circulation can aid in the repair and maintenance of joint tissues, helping to alleviate pain and improve mobility. Orange juice is an excellent source of vitamin C. This refreshing drink not only boosts your immune system but also supports the health of your joints. This vitamin is essential for strong ligaments and tendons. Vitamin C helps in the synthesis of collagen, which is necessary for the strength and flexibility of connective tissues. These tissues connect your muscles to your bones. By incorporating pineapple, cinnamon, and orange juice into your diet, you can support your joint health naturally and deliciously. Your daily dose of joint support, the recipe. Here's how to make this simple yet powerful smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh pineapple chunks, ½ cup orange juice, ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth. Enjoy immediately. Listen to your body. For best results, drink this smoothie daily. You should start to notice a difference in your knee pain within a few weeks. Remember to listen to your body. If you have any concerns, talk to your doctor. This smoothie is a natural way to support joint health. It can be part of a holistic approach to managing knee pain. Combined with a healthy diet and exercise, it can help you stay active and pain-free.